Shalom family. So we working on a new DIY. I hope y'all like this. So right here, I'm just using the white as I showed y'all by Barrel. And I'm speeding the video up. Y'all can always stop it and pause it. And then I grabbed some Deco Art True Red, which is one of my favorite colors. And I'm making this dope design. Yeah, y'all can pause and stop. And then I'm grabbing the green by Deco. And I'm putting it right between there. Speeding the video up a little. Y'all, I really got my videos down. I'm loving it. Then I grabbed black. I didn't show y'all what I used, but I used some ebony black lamp. And I, just put it down and go into the sides. Then I grabbed the yellow by Apple Barrel. I'll put all the links to each one of these paints in the description box. And I really like that orange. I want to mess around with it in another design. And then I grabbed that same green that I used earlier. And then I grabbed the same yellow. Y'all, so much was cut out this video. But I'm glad I got it down for y'all. I know a lot of people say y'all like the long videos. But with the DIYs, it takes so long to upload. And as we grow, we learn more. I learned a lot more about editing. Eventually, I'll hire somebody to do it, to edit for me. I could focus more on creating dope art. But I did grab the black and the brown. I'm talking, y'all. And then now I grab the red again. That brown is so pretty. And then I grab the yellow like I had earlier. And then that's mainly the foundation of the design. So I grabbed some black lamp. And I just made this design. That part was a lot of editing. But y'all got it. Maybe I'll show some bloopers in some of these videos at the end. Because a lot of and all that. I'll be doing a lot of that in my videos. I'm like, hey, y'all. That'd be a lot in the video, so I have to cut a lot of that out. But yeah, this design is so fly. It's just a beautiful print. I enjoy doing it. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put a lot of my prints on canvas or wood just to put around the house. But I really like this design. And I know y'all going to like the next design that's coming up. This is so pretty. So what I'm doing right here is just kind of going over. I went over some of the lines that I already did just to make it a little thicker. Now I'm painting the sides. Also, y'all can use a black acrylic marker. Or y'all can use markers to create these acrylic paint pens. Y'all can use those if it's more easier. Y'all, I got one of my fingernails, my thumb polish brown. I had got some vegan brown fingernail polish. And I don't polish my nails as I used to polish them, but I'm going to do a review on my other YouTube channel, the Unity Art Pieces. And so people like my nails for a reason. They grow like claws. They grow so quick. I cut them and they grow so fast. It's kind of creepy. It's like in the DNA. So right here, I'm showing y'all how I got some gold paint, and I just outlined everything with the gold paint. Just outline everything that I did with a gold paint. A white paint would be cute too if you did that. Even a black paint would be cute, outlining everything. So y'all get creative. But as I was cleaning everything up, the pattern looked separated, and I don't want it to look separated. So what I did, I put a black border going around. You could use any color border. You could use green, purple, red, orange, white. But I decided to use a black border to bring everything in. And if y'all look right here, I'm putting a line going across here over the gold right there, because I wanted to bring these colors in. I want it to be like come together. So this design is called Patterns Come Together in Unity. It just felt separated, and I'm still cleaning everything up, so when I come back, y'all will see the finished results. This, I'm going to use a matte gloss on it. I don't want it to be shiny. You can use any gloss you want to use on it. You can get real creative with this. You can add, because I was thinking about putting some black extreme glitter on some of these, or, you know, leave it as it is. Or you could even outline this in gold if you want to. This is some ideas, y'all. All right, so let me go on and finish it, and then I'll be back. Salam, I'm back. All right, y'all, bead it up. I just use some bone beads. And this is the one we did together. I turned it, y'all, because it was this way when we was doing it. I turned it. And that's the thing about the designs, y'all. Y'all can flip them any kind of way y'all like. The one that I did before I did this one. But, I mean, y'all can make it exactly just like this one. And what I like about this, I put a matte gloss on it. And the reason why I done that, because it reminds me of material. And this is just, I could see this on curtains. I could see it on made with a dress. You could do so much with this print. It is so pretty. And the thing about it, with these DIYs, I show y'all designs. To build the earring, I have a video to show y'all how to put a hole in. I have a video to show y'all how to bead it, how to paint the sides, which I painted these sides black, to show y'all how to, you know, to build the earring. These DIYs is strictly for designs. All right, y'all, so I hope y'all like this video. I'll make as many pairs y'all want. Thank y'all for watching. I did get the video down. I got my editing down, y'all, because when I be recording these videos, they could be up to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, and I have to break them down. So I got this one down really good, and I'm really happy with that. So if y'all, you know, just stop it, pause it, and look at it. But I like the way I brought all this in. It's made it as one. Can't wait to see what the rest of y'all create, and I'll see y'all in my next DIY. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Leave a beautiful comment. Donate to this channel. You could donate as low as $1, high as you want. The links are in the description box. Stop the pet from your local rescue or shelter. I have an Amazon wish list in the link below. If y'all want to send me something, just click the Amazon wish list in the link below. And I have a giveaway going on, so check the link for the giveaway. It's some cool stuff in there. I will be saying who the winner will be on December 16th. So y'all look out for that. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.